Okay, I'm in the process of changing out my fan, water pump and fan, 4-blade fan. I'm going to put the proper cast aluminum 2-blade fan in. The run out on this water pump, as you can see, was afraid it was going to take out the radiator. The radiator is actually in pretty good shape. I flushed it. I might bring it to a pro shop and have them really boil it out, maybe even rot it if needed. I don't think it needs it, but I don't know. While I have it out, it doesn't leak. It's in good shape. I may get that done. I'm on the fence on that. I don't want to spend too much money. This is just a hobby. Play around. Keep it as original as possible. Having said that, though, the boss limiter for the water pump shaft and the head is worn, and that's what's causing this amount of play. Interestingly enough, the water pump doesn't leak, but I'm afraid of it eventually just making contact with the radiator, and that's just too expensive to replace. So what I did was buy, let's see what we got. These new leakless, greaseless water pumps that it's self-containing, so I don't have to worry about using that boss as a stop to keep the blade from coming forward. So I thought that was the most prudent, safest thing to do. It's really a modern water pump packed in a old Model A type format. I'll also go see if I can get those studs out of there. I think I bought some bolts that look like studs. And if I can easily get those studs out, what I'll do is replace them. So next time, if anyone has to get in here, it's just you don't have to yank the radiator out. This came with a stone guard on it. I never really loved the look of that. I'm kind of on the fence too about putting that back on. I know it kind of affords a little extra protection to the radiator, but I just don't really love the looks of it. And this fan, they say these fail, crack and fail. I don't know. This thing could be some, I guess that's just grease. I don't know. It could be some a bit of cracks in it. I just don't see this thing failing, but really wasn't what came in these things. I guess they used them on the AA trucks. So I bought, if you can see in the package, the proper, actually very light 2-blade fan, gas fan. I was recommended that that be the way to go. So I'm going to get to it all. I also bought a the hose fitting that has the temp gauge boss in it. I'm going to put that in that upper hose, and I've got a temp gauge. Because it kind of bugs me to drive this thing and not know if I'm really overheating it. I don't think I've ever really boiled it, but you know it gets hot. So at least I'll know what I'm running.